Limited is a public sector electricity distribution company, DISCOM, in the western Gujarat region. If you are facing any issue related to electricity supply, billings, transformer, or service line, file your complaint to the PGVCL through the helpline number or online platform. You may also contact the customer service center or divisional officials. To register an electricity complaint, visit the link below. Online, file an electricity complaint to PGVCL. Helpline number 19122 180023315533. Email info.pgvcl@gmail.com for online payment. If your lodged complaints are not resolved within a given period at level 1 or the divisional office, then escalate the complaint to the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, CGRF, of PGVCL. Further, you may file a complaint to the Electricity Ombudsman, Gujarat. You may also contact or complain to the constituted internal grievance cell at the circle, divisional, and subdivisional offices of the PGVCL through email, phone number, and other contact details, as provided below. Amreli Circle. Contact details of the circle officers of PGVCL. Designation: Senior Engineer, say, Amreli. Phone number: +912792223836. Email: seema.pgvcl@gmail.com. Address: Veed Seva Sadan, PGVCL, Chittal Road, NR, Gandhi Bagh, Jai Society, Amreli. 1. Amreli Division, 1. These are the official contact details of the circle, divisional, and subdivisional offices. You can raise your complaint to the ITR cell of these PGVCL offices. If not resolved, you may also approach the corporate or head office of PGVCL using the below contact details. Head Office, PGVCL. Contact details of the head office. Designation: Managing Director, PGVCL. Phone number, office: +912812380425, +912812380427. Fax: 02812380428. Email: md.pgvcl@gmail.com, info.pgvcl@gmail.com. Address: Paschim Gujarat Veed Seva Sadan, PGVCL, off Nana Mava Road, Lakshmindar, Rajkot 360004. Still, not resolved within the specified time limit by the PGVCL officials? Lodge a grievance to the CGRF forum of PGVCL at respective divisional or circle offices.